Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to attribute nofollow or dofollow to links in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder, and let's first create a link to attribute it to give it a nofollow or dofollow. Let's get in touch, make this link, for example, go to a web address. Now, under next to make link no follow, you can enable it or disable it. You need to know that all links in Hostinger website builder are set to do follow by default. So if you want to make it a no follow, you can enable this option. When it is disabled, it means this link is a do follow link. With this option enabled, search engines will ignore this link. Don't forget to click on save, then update your website to reflect your changes online. And this is how to attribute a nofollow or dofollow to links in your Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.